Refact AI is making waves in the coding community, but is this open source AI coder truly worth your time? Let's dive into what it offers, where it shines, and if it's really the right fit for you. So, what exactly does Refact AI do? At its core, this tool is designed to assist developers by automating coding tasks and refactoring existing code. It aims to streamline the coding process, potentially saving you hours of debugging and rewriting. As an open source solution, it invites a community-driven approach, which is pretty appealing for those who value transparency and collaboration. The user experience feels straightforward, especially if you're familiar with coding environments. However, for newcomers, the learning curve might be a bit steep. One thing that stands out is its focus on code quality, but I did notice some areas that could use more clarity, like documentation and support resources. It's not always easy to find detailed guidance on how to make the most of its features, which could be frustrating for users just starting out. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Refact AI is free and open source, which means you can modify it to fit your needs. It has powerful capabilities for code refactoring and can really boost productivity for experienced developers. But there are a few drawbacks. The documentation is lacking, which can lead to confusion. Also, some users might find that it doesn't integrate smoothly with all coding environments, which could limit its usefulness. Trust is another concern. While being open source is a plus, it also means you need to rely on community support, which isn't always consistent. If you're a beginner, you might feel overwhelmed, while seasoned developers may appreciate its depth, but still want clear instructions. In conclusion, Refact AI is a solid tool for developers looking to enhance their coding efficiency, especially if you're comfortable navigating its complexities. However, if you're just starting out or need comprehensive support, you might want to explore other options. It's definitely worth a try, but do keep your expectations in check.